Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP Tip 39. So in this video I would like to show and explain to you a very useful tool within the ABAP Debugger, and this is the so-called Watchpoint. So here right now I have created a sample program showing you this. So basically I will set the session breakpoint and then start the debugger to show you this within here. And imagine within here you can double click on a variable, so for example LV value, and down here you can see the value of this variable. And here basically the sample program is going 500 times within a loop, first of all printing out the value of this variable and afterwards increasing the value of this variable by 2. When the loop has gone through 500 times, then this program is finished. And imagine you would like to analyze a specific case when a variable is equal to a specific value. So imagine you want to analyze why or when basically this value has reached, for example, the value 400. Or 300, and you don't want to go through this loop with F6 to 300 times. So this is how it can help you a lot, and you can therefore create watch points. Here in the toolbar, basically, you have the button to create watch point. You can also use the key combination Shift and F4. And once you've clicked on this pop-up, then this will open up, and here in the first you can enter the variable name. So in this case I would like to analyze the variable name LV_value. Here the program name where we are right now, this is fine. And down here you can enter the free condition entry. So, and this is what you also include as or between the if condition. So here we would like to analyze if LV value equals 400. And here you have also the check button, or you can also execute the F5 key. And so here you can see the watch point does not contain any errors, so this is fine, and then we take this over. If you would like to make some changes to this watch points afterwards, this is also, you can do this, so therefore you change to the breakpoints watch points tab here in the debugger. And here, first of all, on the breakpoints, we can see the existing breakpoints. So here is our session breakpoint available. And if we switch to watch points, then within here, we can see our watch points. So like the variable name and the condition and where we have set this up. And if you would like to make some changes, then you can click on this change watch point button to make here some changes, and then change the watch point or take over your changes. Of course, within here you can also create a new watch point by clicking on this create watch point button. Within here you have also the possibility to deactivate a watch point and also afterwards activating a watch point. So going back to standard, so here, because of the session breakpoint, the ABAP debugger has been stopped. And if we now hit the F8 key or click on this continue button, then here you can see that LV value has reached 400. And now we can analyze the root cause, going above, analyze other variables and so on, and see what is the reason behind this. So, and yeah, let's go out of this with F8. So there's no additional session breakpoint, neither there is a watch point. What you also can do, so going back once again into the debugger. So let's start it within here. So the ABAP debugger is started. What you also can do is, because we are in a loop and there is one system variable, it's sy-index, and this is basically the counter of the loop. So for example, if we go with F6 a couple of times through this loop, then we can see now this is the first loop, and here we have now the second one, and so on. If you, for example, within a loop would like to see the 100th time then you can do this with sy minus index, and therefore, of course, you can also create a watch point. So let's do this. Here you can enter sy minus index, and down here you can say sy minus equals to 100, for example. Then hit the enter key. You have created this. And then let's go to this watch point by hitting the F8 key or go to continue. And here we can see that now sy minus index is equal to 100. And now you can also make your analysis. So within loops, this approach is also quite useful. And yeah, I said this, if you have any questions left, please put them in the comment section. Please like this video and please do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel to not miss great upcoming videos. There are still 61 great videos about ABAP tips and tricks available and left. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.